Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to deliver digital products with Clickfunnels. This is a great way to automatically send files, courses, or downloads to customers after a purchase. Let's head over to the Clickfunnels dashboard to get started. First, we need to pick the funnel where we want to add a digital product. For example, let's go with this funnel here. Let's open it up and wait for it to load. Next, we need to go to the order page or upsell. Click on the three dots, then click Add Products. We will see the Add Product button appear. Click Add Product to add a new product. Now select Digital. For this tutorial, we will use this first course as our example. Let's use this one to walk through everything. For paid products, select Subscription if we want a recurring plan, like $16 per month. We can also choose between a free trial or a paid trial. Just pick the option that fits our needs. Set the price and click By Month, then Save. Now for the digital product details, we need to fill in the product name, description, image, pricing, and inventory. We also need to set the fulfillment options. From here, we can list the product, manage stock, and even give customers access to a community. Let's configure those settings now. We can also add a confirmation funnel URL and adjust the share settings. Make sure to check the advanced settings for the checkout page as well. Once everything looks good, click Update. The last thing we need to do is edit the thank you page. This is what customers will see after they place their order. It confirms that the order was successful and delivers the digital product to them. Once we are done, we save the page so customers are taken to the thank you page right after ordering. That is how we deliver digital products with Clickfunnels. With this setup, we can automate delivery and give customers a smooth experience every time.